Hi, so my name is Nadine Zambergen and I am a teacher for 4th grade geography. So I click on the class here. On the stream you will see what I've posted recently. I have said, hi everyone, just a quick reminder that the quiz about the states and capitals is due by this Friday. Just put out a quick reminder. I didn't see your comment here, Shannon. Sorry about that. So I commented above that to look ahead, just letting the class know that there are other things coming up. Shannon has commented, one of my great students. I was confused about Chicago at first. I went there with my parents. It's a really big city, so it seems like she wants to go to Chicago. That's really great. I'm glad she's interacting on this website. So you click classwork. And if we go to the top here, our main focus is US geography, states and capitals. To begin the class, I've included materials. I'll click one of these websites here. So this is Play the States game. Just kind of some homework for them. Play. Okay, it doesn't seem to be wanting to work right now, but basically, I think it's loading. Basically, it's just kind of matching the states and putting them on a map, which is interactive. I'll go down for one more. The first assignment here is just kind of mapping out where the regions are. No one has completed that one yet. There is a state game here that I've got that will be done in the classroom. So I basically have given them the website that they can look at prior to this. Oh, that's not the right one. Sorry, that is a crossword puzzle. This is something I planned in class. Sorry, but basically a website here which can let them know about different states, and they can explore Colorado, California, Florida. And it's something we're going to do in the classroom, but basically they're going to tell me a fun fact about the flag, geography, wildlife. I thought that was a great way to include some other social studies as well in there. And some practice here is another website here, which is also taking a while to load. And then our next topic is navigating the roads. I wanted to expose them to different things in the states or where they could go to. That's a pop-up ad. Okay. I thought this could give them some good visuals that they could look at. The assignment I had for this section was planning a road trip, and I gave them some help with that as well. I think I might start. Sorry, so this is the assignment here, so it's including some math. They've both turned it in and it's been graded. So it's steps for calculating gas mileage. So it's kind of taking something that they are interested in and putting practical steps towards it so they can figure out how they might go about a road trip. And I think that gives them some, here it is, budgeting for a road trip. So basically some instructions, and that is actually to be completed outside of class. And I've included some extra things down the bottom here, including an ultimate road trip according to science, other fun facts about geography and places, and this was actually something I posted after they completed the assignment, where they could enter in a location, a destination, and click continue. And it's great because, going back here, Shannon had actually commented on this. She said she was confused and I had actually placed the wrong website. So I corrected it and was able to actually post the right one. So if I type in University of Tennessee, Walt Disney World Resort, I go down and hit preview route. It should give me how long it'll take, the mileage, the miles, and the cost. And I thought that was a nice way to kind of reward them for the hard work doing all that math, because that's not always fun. Okay, so we've done classroom, and the cool thing is that with the quiz you can actually from here access who's turned it in. Scarlett has turned it in. We can click it right here, her answers. So she got an 80 because number 2 was actually incorrect. You can add private comments here. I do a lot of smiley faces apparently, and you can just quickly, and I will return that to her. So she got an 80 out of 100. We'll go back to this main. There's another way to access people's grades, is just go to click the person. So I'll click on Shannon right here. She has also completed, I think, assignment 2. However, she wasn't able to attach the Google document, so I've listed some comments here about her having to attach it. Oh, and she has now. So I'll need to update this grade, which I actually need to return that. Oh, cancel. Oh, right here. And I'll update that to 100 because it looks great. Thanks, Shannon, and return. So that just gives you a bit of a preview about how this works. This is probably a bit of a boring video. I'm sorry to people watching this. But yeah, I really enjoyed Google Classroom and would recommend it to teachers. And it's great to just see people's comments and be able to interact with them that way. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shannon, and I'm in Miss Sandbergen's geography class. I'm in 4th grade. This is my side of the Google Classroom, and this is just the streaming portion here. So Miss Sandbergen can put helpful tips or things to be looking ahead for, and then I'm able to go in and ask her questions, and my fellow classmates can also ask questions, and I can interact with them as well, which is kind of cool to get to talk to my friends even when I'm not in school, but we can still help each other with homework, and that's really cool. And Miss Sandbergen posts a lot of material and helpful links here in addition to the homework, which is really nice that I don't have to keep paper homework in my backpack because I can just log in on my mom's computer at home, and then I'm able to do my homework that way. And my mom's able to check up on me and make sure I'm actually doing what I'm supposed to be doing. This is the classwork part, and you can see, well, I'm able to see here the assignments that need to be done, and I can actually go to view your work, and it shows me right here my grades on certain assignments. And so the quiz, I actually did this one already, but I'm just waiting for the grade. It hasn't popped up yet, but I just did it a few minutes ago, so that's probably why it hasn't been graded yet, because Miss Sandbergen has a lot of things that she's busy with. But I got 100 on that assignment, so my mom will be really happy about that. The downside is you can't put good grades on the refrigerator, but that's okay. It's still a good website. And then I need to do these assignments because I haven't yet, so I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm going to do those soon. And yeah, so that's how I do my Google Classroom. Thanks!